Most freelancers are paying $129 for SEMrush, $99 for Ahrefs, $240 for market research platforms, and $12.99 for Canva Pro. That is $481 every single month just to stay competitive. Gemini 3 Pro from Google does what all 4 of those subscriptions do for $19.99. And there is one type of client deliverable this makes possible that used to require a research team and 6 different software tools. I am Paul James. I help solo creators and freelancers turn AI tools into actual income without expensive software or technical backgrounds. I grew up living in my brother's garage while attending college full-time, trying to start a business with no money and no access to the tools everyone said I needed. Everything I show you is about resourcefulness and leverage. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training that shows you how to turn AI tools like this into actual income. And no, I will not try and sell you Go High Level, because there are free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good. Here is what Gemini 3 Pro actually is. It is not another version of ChatGPT. It is a tool stack elimination system, 5 core capabilities that replace 5 separate subscriptions. First, it scans current web content in real time instead of relying on outdated training data. Second, it analyzes YouTube videos without requiring transcripts or browser plugins. Third, it connects directly to your Google Drive and Gmail to access files and conversations you already have. Fourth, it maintains 750,000 words of active memory in a single session. That is like holding 12 full business books worth of context simultaneously. Fifth, it creates professional graphics with accurate text rendering that older models completely failed at. Now, watch what happens when you stack all 5 capabilities together. You can build competitor intelligence packages that consulting firms charge $4,000 to $8,000 for. And you can do it in 47 minutes as a solo operator spending $20 per month instead of $481. Here is what nobody tells you about this. Local businesses pay agencies thousands for competitive positioning reports, but 68% of that work is structured research and organization. Someone investigates competitor offerings, reads customer feedback, tracks pricing patterns, and formats findings into something actionable. It is not genius level strategy. It is access to data and time to organize it. Solo freelancers could never compete because gathering intelligence manually consumed 12 to 16 hours per project. So businesses hired agencies with research departments and expensive software access. But here is where it gets interesting. Gemini 3 Pro breaks both barriers. Time disappears because it processes hundreds of sources in minutes. Cost drops from $481 to $19.99. One person with a $20 subscription can now produce what required a 3-person research team and thousands in monthly tools. Let me show you the breakdown. Imagine landing a client who owns 4 dental practices across Tampa. They want to open a 5th location in Clearwater but need competitive intelligence first. How many practices already operate there? What services generate the highest margins? What do online reviews reveal about patient satisfaction gaps? What marketing channels drive the most new patient bookings? Traditional approach would consume your entire week. Monday and Tuesday researching competitors manually, Wednesday organizing data, Thursday writing strategic recommendations, Friday creating presentation materials. Here's the leverage point. Head to gemini.google.com and sign up for Gemini Advanced at $19.99 per month. Once inside, look for your model options. Select the advanced reasoning model, not the fast response option. This distinction matters enormously. Basic models give you quick answers. Advanced reasoning gives you strategic analysis with cited sources. Now enter this prompt. Map the dental practice landscape in Clearwater, Florida. I need service offerings across competitors, pricing structures for common procedures, patient sentiment patterns from review platforms, and marketing channel effectiveness. Structure this as a strategic intelligence report, then submit. Stay with me, because this next piece is huge. Before executing any research, Gemini 3 Pro displays its planned approach. It shows you which sources it intends to check, which data categories it will prioritize, and how it plans to organize the final output. You review the strategy and approve before it proceeds. Once confirmed, it begins working. This process takes approximately 3 minutes, but during those 3 minutes, it visits competitor practice websites directly, scans patient review platforms like Healthgrades and Google, checks local business listings and insurance network directories, analyzes social media pages for engagement patterns, and cross-references all collected data into organized sections. What returns is an 11-page structured document. Competitor service menus categorized by specialty. Pricing comparisons for 12 common procedures. Patient complaints organized by frequency with representative quotes included. Marketing analysis showing Facebook ads outperform Google search by 31% for new patient acquisition. 4 specific market gaps where existing practices show consistent weakness. Think about what that actually means. You just constructed a professional market intelligence report in 3 minutes that would have consumed 16 hours of manual work. But here is where most people mess it up. They export the report, deliver it to the client, and consider the project complete. Wrong. Clients do not pay premium rates for organized data. They pay for synthesis. They pay for intelligence from multiple sources combined into specific tactical guidance. This is where the tool stack elimination framework comes in. Remember that deliverable type I mentioned at the beginning? This is it. After generating your initial report, export it into Google Docs format. One action saves it to your drive as a formatted document with sections and source citations intact. Now open a new conversation. Enable Workspace connectivity by accessing your settings, locating connected applications, and activating Google Drive integration. Here is the twist almost nobody talks about. Type at Workspace, followed by locate the dental market report I just created, plus any documents in my drive related to healthcare industry trends or patient acquisition strategies. Submit that request. Watch what happens next. Gemini does not fabricate responses. It retrieves actual files. It searches your entire Google Drive and identifies the exact report you generated moments ago. But it also discovers that healthcare trends article you saved 6 months ago, and that patient acquisition cost spreadsheet from a previous client project. Now all 3 sources are simultaneously active in your conversation. You can expand this further. Upload additional files directly into the chat. Perhaps you have the client's current service menu. Perhaps you saved competitor email marketing examples. Perhaps you obtained demographic data for Clearwater neighborhoods. Add everything relevant. Gemini 3 Pro maintains up to 750,000 words in active memory simultaneously. That is 12 to 18 separate documents, all accessible at once. Read that again. Now submit this prompt. Based on every source you just retrieved from my drive plus the fresh market research, develop a differentiation strategy for my client. I need 3 specific tactical actions they can implement in the next 60 days to capture underserved patient segments and compete effectively against established practices. Submit. Here is what happens next. It processes every single source simultaneously. It identifies patterns across documents you uploaded separately. It discovers contradictions between what competitors advertise and what patients actually desire. It constructs tactical recommendations connecting market intelligence to your client's specific circumstances. This is not generic consulting advice anymore. This is strategic guidance synthesized from 14 separate sources and tailored to one specific business in one specific market. Market research consultants charge $3,000 to $7,000 for reports like this. Healthcare business strategists charge $6,000 to $11,000 for positioning recommendations. You just built both deliverables in 53 minutes total while spending $19.99 per month instead of $481. That is the leverage point most people miss. Here is the part that changed everything for me. Most people view this as efficiency software. It is actually an agency displacement system. You are not competing with other freelancers anymore who charge $400 for basic competitor overviews. You are competing directly with consulting firms that have overhead and staff, and clients cannot distinguish between intelligence you gathered in 53 minutes versus intelligence a 5-person team gathered across 3 weeks. They evaluate based on insight clarity and recommendation specificity, not time invested. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to that free training on how to turn tools like this into real income. Now, let me show you something most people completely overlook. Gemini 3 Pro analyzes video content and explains exactly why it performs well. No transcripts required, no plugins needed, no third-party services. Locate any successful YouTube video from a competitor, copy its URL, paste directly into your conversation, then request this analysis. Why does this video generate engagement? What retention hooks does the creator employ? Which objections do they address? What content patterns should I model for my client? 42 seconds later, you receive a complete breakdown. It pinpoints the exact timestamp where viewer retention peaks. It identifies which emotional triggers the creator deployed. It highlights specific phrasing that drives viewer action. That is competitor intelligence you can immediately implement without investing 3 hours watching content and manually documenting patterns. Here is what that actually means. Social media agencies charge $900 to $1,800 for competitive content analysis in the current market. You just completed the same analysis in 42 seconds while spending $19.99 per month instead of their overhead costs. This is where everything clicks. You also need visual assets for client deliverables, presentation graphics, strategy diagrams, branded comparison charts. This is where the image creation capability becomes critical. But here is the secret most people miss. Do not request generic stock visuals. Leverage the context you already established. Create a visual strategy framework showing the 3 differentiation approaches we just developed. Use a professional aesthetic with navy blue and silver gray. Ensure all text displays clearly and professionally. Then generate. 45 seconds later, you have a polished graphic asset. The critical improvement over older systems is text accuracy. Words are spelled correctly and integrated cleanly into the design layout. For someone without design expertise, this eliminates another monthly subscription. You do not need Canva Pro at $12.99 anymore. Let me show you how this compounds. You can now deliver market intelligence reports, strategic positioning plans, competitive video analysis, and custom branded visuals, all completed in under 90 minutes total, all while spending $19.99 monthly instead of $481. Consulting firms require 4 weeks and charge $9,000 to $15,000 in this space. Marketing agencies require 3 weeks and charge $6,000 to $10,000. You complete everything in 90 minutes with the ability to compete for projects in that same premium tier because the market pays for intelligence value, not hours logged. Picture this scenario. An e-commerce founder wants to launch organic skincare products but needs competitive intelligence first. Which brands dominate the space? What price points convert best? What ingredients do customers prioritize? What marketing messages resonate strongest? Traditional research would consume multiple days checking competitor websites, reading product reviews, analyzing social media engagement, and tracking pricing patterns. With Gemini 3 Pro, you request competitive analysis for organic skincare brands, including pricing models, ingredient preferences from customer reviews, marketing message effectiveness, and market positioning gaps. 3 minutes later, you have a comprehensive report with cited sources. Upload the founder's product formulation specifications and target margin requirements. Now request which positioning strategy best matches their criteria and why. It synthesizes external market intelligence with internal business constraints and delivers specific recommendations with supporting evidence. That type of deliverable typically commands $1,800 to $3,500 in the e-commerce consulting market. Your time investment was 11 minutes total while spending $19.99 monthly. Picture what happens when your capacity multiplies like that. Here is the advanced move most people never consider. You can deploy this exact workflow across any industry vertical. Real estate investors need market demand analysis before property acquisitions. Technology companies need feature comparison research before product development. Law firms need precedent analysis before case strategy. Healthcare providers need treatment protocol research before clinical decisions. You are not restricted to one niche. You are selling organized intelligence and strategic synthesis. $20 subscription but premium pricing? Absolutely. Here is why businesses pay more when you use accessible tools. They are not purchasing your software access. They are purchasing your ability to formulate the right questions, synthesize intelligence from multiple sources, and translate complex data into clear tactical guidance. The tool is infrastructure. Your strategic thinking is the product. Now you have got the foundation. Here is the money part. This is not about income replacement. This is about accessing opportunities that were previously out of reach. Research and consulting deliverables are priced anywhere from $1,500 to $9,000, depending on scope and industry in the current market. This positions you to compete for projects in that range because your time investment is 60 to 120 minutes per deliverable, while agencies need weeks. That is what leverage actually means. Most freelancers believe they must choose between delivery speed and output quality. Wrong. This tool eliminates that trade-off completely. You deliver agency-level quality at freelancer speed because research and synthesis work that previously required days now requires minutes. Clients do not care about your tooling. They care that you identified 4 market opportunities they can exploit in the next 90 days. Imagine what your next 120 days look like after mastering this workflow. You can accept consulting projects you previously declined because research requirements seemed too time-intensive. You can deliver in 120 minutes what agencies deliver in 4 weeks. You can compete for work priced on insight value instead of hours tracked. That is not productivity improvement. That is competitive repositioning. Most people treat Gemini 3 Pro like a basic question tool, but when you activate real-time web scanning, connect your Google Workspace, leverage massive context memory, deploy video analysis for competitor intelligence, and generate professional visual assets, you are not using a chatbot anymore. You are operating research infrastructure that replaces 5 separate subscriptions and competes directly with agency deliverables for 4% of their monthly software costs. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to that free training that shows you how to turn AI tools into actual income. And again, I will not try and sell you Go High Level because there are free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good.